lovelies, welcome back. And if you're OG, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here and you like beauty, you like wig reviews, you like lifestyle, please hit that notification bell and subscribe, and we're going to get right into it. Today I am partnering again with one of my favorite wig companies, UNice here. And I'm going to do again another trending headband wig. This is a wavy unit. I have not opened it yet. We're going to see together what it looks like. So I'm going to crack it open right now. So come and join me. Okay. This is what the box looks like inside. Now, let's see what goodies we have in here, because you know they always send some goodies. I don't know about this side, but let's see. Okay, this is the wig. And inside the box, there is the headband. And I'm happy about this color because the last time the color was so light. It was very summery. So we're in winter now. And I didn't really want any kind of light headband. So this is very nice. You know, black and white goes with everything, like a neutral color, right? Okay, so what else is in the box? The usual wig cap and the instructions, the 10% off coupon, and that's it, y'all. Usually they send more stuff in there, like some eyelashes, but this time is just the bare basics, which is fine because you know, I have all that stuff already. I do so many wig reviews that I accumulate that stuff, so this is okay. So I'm going to open the wig for you now. Let's see. Okay. All right, here we go. Now this unit, this is a kind of unique unit. I haven't seen a unit like this before. You see it has, let me take it out all the way. Ooh, so pretty though. Look, it's a wavy unit. Look at the waves, y'all. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, now it does have this opening. I don't know if y'all could see that. You see that opening? That is for you to do a U-part wig with. And I didn't know this was a U-part. I don't know why I didn't know. I guess I didn't really pay attention. But it is a U-part wig. You can just cut this part open over here. And then what you do is you take your hair out and lay that over that part. Okay, let's see what the cap construction looks like. This is the cap construction. It's a regular cap construction with the one comb on the top, one comb in the back, and the adjustable straps right here, if I can get to them. These are the adjustable straps in the back. Okay, which I usually take out the combs in my wig because I don't really like combs in my wigs. So yeah, this is how it is on the top. Now, I don't know if I want to cut this or not, and put my hair out in the middle of it. I think I won't do that. I think I'll just use it as the, with the band. But you can definitely take your hair out, you know, just a little leave out that you have here and comb it over this part of the wig. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna come back with this wig on with the headband so you can see how it looks. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, lovelies, I'm back, and this is the way I chose to wear the wig with this band instead of the band that came with the wig, because I like this better and it actually matches my coat. So this is the wig. Isn't it cute? It feels nice. It's wavy, as you can see, and I think it looks better this way since it's winter time. I wore a bigger band because my head could be warm with this, and I didn't choose to use the parting in the wig. What I did was I just left it, the U part, the way it was. I might choose to at another time you cut the U part and take out some parts of my hair to cover the U part, but right now I like it like this. Let me know what you think. Do you like this headband, or do you prefer the headband that came with the wig? I think it's a little bit too thin. The pros of this wig is that it's very comfortable, and I think anybody could wear this wig because it is a U part. It does have combs and an adjustable strap in the back. Now the cons of the wig for me is that U part, I don't like that, to tell you the truth, because when I wear a wig, I do not want to take any parts of my hair out. I think for me it defeats the purpose of wearing a wig. I think it's protective style when you have all of your hair inside the cap. So I don't think I am going to use the U part at all. I'm just going to use headbands like this. But overall, the wig feels really soft. It's not too much hair. It's an everyday unit. So you guys tell me what you think about it. I like it. Yep, I like it. So anyway, that is it for this wig review. This is UNice hair that I partnered with. They're an excellent hair company, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.